Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer Janae, and I just want to show you guys my knee one last time before I have my knee surgery tomorrow. I don't want anybody saying I'm like Scamanda, or whatever y'all are calling her, saying she's in the hospital and all that, and she was faking. So here is my knee today. It will never look like this again. This is what it looks like pre-op, and I will show you guys potentially. Well, let me show you the other one so you won't say she switched them or she did something. But this is the one. And then tomorrow I'm having surgery on this one. I'm anticipating like a scar going from here to here-ish, somewhere in there. But um, I'm not like super excited for the knee replacement itself, but I am excited about the quality of life that's on the other side of the knee replacement and being able to get back to doing things without walking with assistance or needing people to help me do things or having balance issues. So I just wanted to give you guys a baseline of where I am right now. I also will start physical therapy the day of tomorrow, actually, before I can leave the hospital. And then I'll have another session on Wednesday. But I just wanted to give you guys the baseline to let you know where we are in the progress. I may do a quick video in the morning just to kind of show you like, hey, this is what I'm expecting to happen today. But tonight I can't have anything to eat after midnight, but I can have clear liquids. And then 30 minutes before I leave to go to the hospital, then I can have like a one last electrolyte drink, if you will. And then after I leave out of my door to go to the hospital, there's nothing else I can have. So I'll keep you posted and let you know how things are going. I pray you have an amazing rest of your day and go be great. Good morning. My name is Summer Janae, and welcome back to my channel. I'm a few minutes from walking out of the door, headed to the hospital, and I just wanted to give you the day of surgery video that I promised. Um, it's going to be really short. I just want to let you know that in a significant amount of pain this morning, so I'm excited to go and have the procedure. And I received my Bromtech cycling machine yesterday. So I'll show you guys that later, but it's supposed to really help with my recovery. And so I'll probably do a video on the machine itself and um, like me doing a session, but I just wanted to make sure I record this video headed out of the door to the hospital, and I will see you guys later. Have an amazing rest of your day and go be great.